Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Salesforce Flow with Einstein to classify inbound emails, full guide step by step clearly. To start enabling Salesforce Flow with Einstein for classifying inbound emails, log into your Salesforce account.
Navigate to the Setup menu in the upper right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Flow. Click on the Flow link under the Process Automation section. Now, click the New Flow button. Select Auto-Launched Flow from the options provided. Next, click on Create to begin designing your flow. In the Flow Builder, you will see a canvas area for your flow design. To set up email classification, you will need to add a new element. Select Get Records from the Element options. Name this element Get Inbound Email. Set the object to Email Message. Under Filter Conditions,
ensure that the status is set to Received.
Add a new element by clicking the plus sign on the canvas. Select the action element type. Search for and select Einstein Email Classification. Configure your Einstein actions by linking it to your email input. Map the fields from the inbound email to the corresponding fields in the Einstein action. Next, click the plus sign again to add another action. Choose Update Records this time. Select the email message object and set up fields to update based on the classification results.
Make sure to include logic for both successful classifications and any fallback scenarios.
Click on the Save button in the upper right corner to save your flow.
Once saved, click on Activate to enable your flow for use.
To test the flow, navigate back to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Process Automation Settings. Ensure that the Email to Case feature is enabled, as it supports this flow. Finally, send a test email to your Salesforce environment to verify that the flow is working correctly. Monitor the results in the email message records to confirm the email classifications.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.